dripping sauce, dripping sauce, dripping sauce. Saturday, Saturday, dripping drip. All right, today on Sauce Saturday, we're going to be making mayonnaise. We're going to be making mayonnaise with this spicy red sauce, okay? All right, so first what you're going to do is you're going to take this. You're going to take the spicy red sauce and put some spicy red sauce in the bowl. All right, and then you're going to take the mayonnaise. Put the mayonnaise in there, and then mix it to a nice consistency. Like that. And that's how you make mayonnaise, Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce, Saturday sauce.